What's up, guys? We're finally going to reveal the third and final piece of the puzzle.
This is it right here. This beautifully, almost brand new,
slightly used patina F-150.
What year is it?
1995.
1995. You remember that year, everybody?
Yes,
Some of you don't.
Because you weren't born yet. But those of you that do know that this is a beautiful Ford that everybody likes. It's very desirable.
Yeah.
It's a straight six, automatic, 9-inch rear, and we're getting rid of all of that. And we're putting in...
Are we telling everybody?
I thought that's what we were doing. Oh. Maybe we should show them the truck first. Let's show them the truck. Pop the door. The good thing is, the crazy part is the seat's in really good condition. And anyone that knows these bench seats, they get tore up quick.
Right.
But most of its life, it's had a cover over it. So,
nice.
And it's it's not too bad. There's not a lot of rust on this side. Rockers, dashboard's obviously shot.
Ooh, it's got this new custom headliner. I like that.
Yeah, that's called the bubble top.
I love it.
Yep.
They don't do that anymore like they used to, do they?
No. The good thing is that there's not a lot of dents or dings on the body. The tailgate here is bad, and the bumper's here.
Yeah.
But tailgate still drops, which for a truck this age, usually that's a problem.
That's true.
So, yeah, so check her out. She's got a little bit of rust here on this side, these rockers. So we may have to deal with that. But let's get her started. She's got the dual tanks, and the button for the dual tanks is really easy and accessible here.
Dual tanks.
Yeah.
So if you wanted that nice long trip, right?
Yeah. Well, it only gets like 8 or 10 miles to the gallon.
Yeah. Whoa!
Let's go, y'all.
It's got some exhaust.
No.
Aftermarket exhaust, man.
So this truck has 293,000 miles. Do you guys remember the coffee can emissions? It's good stuff, coffee can. I mean, look, all this is going away.
It sounds good. So, what's happening with this engine?
Well, so because of the coffee can emissions stuff, that's kind of outdated. And
just for that one reason?
Yeah, because it's so outdated. We're just gonna get rid of this engine, transmission, and front suspension. We're gonna put a Crown Vic suspension underneath it. We're gonna put a Coyote motor out of that blue beneficator, and we're gonna put the 6R 86-speed automatic transmission in it. And we're gonna drop it low, watch it go. Y'all are gonna love this build. It's gonna be an intense build. It's gonna be a lot of fab. And then when we're done, we're gonna sell it.
You know, can I ask you one simple question, Ryan?
Yeah, go ahead.
Have either of us ever done this before? It's a simple question. It's just a simple question.
I feel like it's simple in the sense of answering, but in reality, no. No.
Do you think we can even do this? I mean, let's just be real.
Honestly.
I mean, we just purchased 2 cars.
And now a third.
And now we have this third piece of the puzzle, and we don't even know what we're doing.
We've never known what we're doing, but that hasn't stopped us. We'll figure it out as we go. We've got a lot of people that have come alongside us like we do with all of our builds that are going to help us.
Yeah.
Dennis in Texas at Farm Truck/Racing is super helpful, guys. There's a bunch of people. What's his name? Dave in Cocoa Beach. He's going to get us a kit for the Crown Vic. So guys, Frank at PBH, Power by the Hour, Performance, they're gonna help us out. So there's a lot of people that are gonna help us. So yes, it's a large undertaking. Do we have the ability? Yes. Do we have the knowledge? No. Are we worried about it?
A little bit.
Yeah.